Looking for the best DEWALT oscillating tools in 2024? We got you covered. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 DEWALT oscillating tools, perfect for DIY projects, home improvement, and professional construction work. From precision cutting to sanding and scraping, these tools are built to tackle any job. Stay tuned as we break down the key features, performance, and why DEWALT is a trusted name in power tools. Number 5. The DEWALT XTREME 12V Max Brushless Cordless Oscillating Tool, DCS353B, offers exceptional convenience and versatility, making it a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its lightweight and compact design ensures easy portability, making it ideal for tight spaces or overhead work. Powered by a brushless motor, this tool delivers enhanced performance and a longer runtime, so you can tackle multiple tasks without frequent recharges. One of its standout features is the universal accessory adapter, which allows compatibility with most oscillating tool accessory brands. This means you won't have to worry about finding specific attachments, offering versatile utility for a wide range of applications. The Quick Change accessory system simplifies blade and attachment changes, saving time and eliminating the need for wrenches. Additionally, the built-in LED light is a game-changer, illuminating dark work surfaces for improved accuracy. According to user reviews, this tool is praised for its versatility beyond woodworking. It can handle tile grout, cut plastic, sand hard-to-reach areas, and cut door jambs with ease. Another user expressed how life-changing it was to switch to a cordless multi-tool, calling it the bomb. Overall, the DEWALT XTREME 12V Max is a powerful, efficient, and reliable tool for various tasks, making it perfect for any project. Number 4. The DEWALT Atomic 20V Max Oscillating Tool, DCS354B, is a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for a variety of cutting tasks. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers up to 57% more runtime compared to brush models, making it ideal for extended use. The dual grip variable speed trigger gives users precise control over speed and application, making it adaptable for different tasks, whether cutting wood, metal, or more delicate materials. Its universal accessory adapter enhances its utility, allowing compatibility with most oscillating tool accessories, while the Quick Change accessory system enables fast blade and attachment swaps without the need for wrenches. The addition of a bright LED light ensures visibility in dark or tight spaces, helping users achieve more accurate cuts. Users are impressed with its performance. One reviewer praised its ability to tackle tough tasks, including cutting 2x4s and nails, making it an essential tool for home remodeling projects. Another user appreciated its lightweight design, versatility, and relatively quiet operation, though recommended the XR version for those working with heavier materials. Overall, the DEWALT Atomic 20V Max Oscillating Tool offers excellent performance, convenience, and durability, making it a solid choice for both DIYers and professionals looking for a reliable cordless multi-tool. Number 3. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool, DCS356B, is a powerful and versatile addition to any toolkit, delivering up to 57% more runtime thanks to its brushless motor. Designed for both professionals and DIYers, its 3-speed selector allows users to adjust the speed based on the application, providing the flexibility needed for various tasks. Whether you're working on delicate cuts or heavy-duty projects, the dual-grip variable speed trigger gives you ultimate control over the tool's performance. With the Quick Change accessory system, swapping blades and attachments is effortless, requiring no wrenches, which adds to the tool's convenience. The universal accessory adapter enhances compatibility, making it easy to use most oscillating tool accessories. The bright LED light is another standout feature, ensuring precision by illuminating dark work areas for more accurate cuts. User feedback is overwhelmingly positive. One user highlighted its ability to make precise square cuts on a floor installation, praising the tool's battery life and cordless convenience. Another reviewer mentioned how the tool made cutting window trim and notching large 4x4 posts a breeze, speeding up their project with ease. Overall, The DEWALT 20V Max XR oscillating multi-tool combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it a must-have for both small jobs and large-scale projects. Number 2. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Multi-Tool Kit, DCS356D1, is a versatile, cordless oscillating tool designed to handle various cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks with ease. Featuring a 3-speed selector, users can choose the perfect speed for any project, making it adaptable for different materials and applications. Powered by a brushless motor, this tool delivers up to 57% more runtime compared to brush models, offering efficiency and long-lasting performance. The dual-grip variable speed trigger provides ultimate control, ensuring precision in every task, while the quick-change accessory system allows fast and tool-free blade changes, making your work more seamless. Its universal accessory adapter ensures compatibility with most oscillating tool accessories, adding to its versatility. The bright LED light is a handy feature, illuminating dark workspaces for more accurate cuts. User reviews are overwhelmingly positive. One user praised the tool's durability and effectiveness, stating they used it for various projects and highly recommended it to both handywomen and handymen. Another reviewer appreciated the interchangeable batteries that work across other DEWALT tools, the multi-speed settings, and how comfortable the tool feels even during extended use. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Multi-Tool Kit is a reliable, user-friendly tool, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It combines power, precision, and convenience, making it a worthwhile investment. Number 1. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool and Orbital Sander Kit, DCK202P1, is an excellent cordless woodworking set featuring 2 powerful tools designed for versatility and efficiency. The DCS356 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool comes equipped with a 3-speed selector and a dual-grip variable speed trigger, offering full control over various applications. The quick-change accessory system allows for fast, tool-free blade and attachment changes, while the universal accessory adapter ensures compatibility with most oscillating tool brands. Additionally, the bright LED light ensures precision even in dark workspaces. The DCW210 20V Max XR Random Orbital Sander features a brushless motor for longer tool life, as well as a dust-sealed switch that keeps debris out for a more durable, smooth operation. The kit includes a 5.0 battery and 8-amp fast charger, ensuring minimal downtime during projects. User reviews praise the toolset's quality and performance. One reviewer highlighted its durability, ease of use, and compatibility with other DEWALT tools, while another loved the cordless convenience and quick blade changes. Both tools are appreciated for their balance and effectiveness in a variety of woodworking tasks, from sanding to precise plunge cuts. This set is perfect for professionals and DIYers alike, offering reliable performance and convenience. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 DEWALT oscillating tools in 2024. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tool for your next project. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which DEWALT tool is your favorite. And as always, happy building with DEWALT.